Hello.
Okay. Alright, 96. Hello, everyone. Shall we start?
Hey everyone.
Everyone. So we see exciting people already joining our live stream. So maybe we can start while people joining. So I would love to welcome everyone who is here. Guys, drop comments where are you from. We have C from Canada already. So I just want to tell maybe my name is Arturas, the founder of Lazy Programmer, the community of software developers and people in IT, and my co-founder Rupali. I'm very grateful and happy having today amazing people, amazing team. And first of all, I would love to thank you to Brizy No-Code website builder. They will speak in a few minutes. And we had like 900 registered participants to this hackathon worldwide. So I'm very impressed from we have all around the world. There is no country that not registered maybe. So I'm very happy having here and developers and designers and entrepreneurs, innovators, students, everyone who is willing to learn new technology, new tools, meet new people, networking, having a great weekend, working on website, not going to disco, but working in the hackathon. And so I would love to introduce Dimi. He's the co-founder and CEO of Brizy. So he could say some words about welcome words about Brizy and in general. So Brizy, Dimi, please.
Hey Arturas. Hey
Hey,
guys.
Andros. Hey, guys.
Nice to meet everyone.
Nice to meet everyone.
Hope you have a great day or evening or night. It's 7 p.m. where I am, so I'm usually used with this late hours because we are talking with the entire world ourselves. We are very grateful to be here and to be welcomed into the Lazy Programmers community. We are always excited to be part of this kind of events, and let me take this short opportunity to thank Arturas and Rupali for hosting this hackathon for us. Veronica will talk more about what this hackathon will involve. It will be a very hectic weekend for a lot of you, I presume, but we are always excited and humbled to see our tool put in good hands and to see projects created with Brizy. So that being said, I thank you everyone for being here and for participating. And I'll, if you don't need to take the mic again, Arthur, I'll pass it to Veronica, and she will present the entire how this hackathon will be, and some rules and some things related to what follows. So Veronica.
Hello, everyone. So we will have a short presentation here. I'm Veronica. As Dimi said, I will be your, so to say, guide today, since we work together with Lazy Programmers to prepare everything for you, so this hackathon would go as smooth as possible. If you have any questions, don't worry at all, because we will have a Q&A at the end. Since many of you, or like most of you, already have access to Brizy and basically know everything about the hackathon, I will try to be as, so to say, as short and as informative as possible, due to the fact that you basically are introduced to the tool and pretty much know all the information that will be shared here. So this is the information that we prepared, like an introduction of Brizy, prizes and places. We will like highlight them again. Some assignment details and deadlines. And once again, we will share the access to Brizy Pro and answer to your questions regarding the access and everything that you may need. So introducing Brizy is quite easy for me. So Brizy is a website builder for both WordPress and cloud, as many of you already tested. Our mission is to empower pretty much anyone without knowledge of coding. As you know, it's a no-code hackathon. To use web tools to create web projects, websites, and everything without the need of much knowledge in coding or design or other directions that are usually required. We also work for B2B market. We work with agencies or different industries that need our help in creating websites for their clients. We have pretty much 10 years of experience on the market, and most of our reviews are great, and we have good feedback from users that already use Brizy. You can scan the code here and look at the most common questions. So in case you may experience some issues, you know to reach the support, and that you can always rely on our support. These are the prizes. I know that many of you want to take the first place or the second, because these are the most juicy ones. And we are here to support you in this journey with all that we got. The main assignments for you will be to create and publish a Brizy website. It should solve a real world problem, because we had some questions on the social cause, what it means, how to identify one. You just take a real world problem and try to solve it with the support of our tool and using the project that you create. For fun, you can share your journey also on social media. We will look into all your posts and content in general, and this can influence a bit your evaluation, but the main points will be attributed as we will discuss later. So this is just like 1 point for Hogwarts in case it's required. Also, you will have to complete a survey. It will be prepared in advance for you and sent with all the information that you already got. Also, you will have to submit a presentation and a video where you will discuss the following points: the social cause or business industry that your website addresses, the importance of this cause or industry for you or for society in general, the website structure and purpose, and how the website addresses the cause or the industry's problem. By this, I mean that you should highlight some maybe features or informative blogs or some other I don't know, other tools that you used to help users solve the problem with you. So here is the evaluation criteria. They are also available on a Lazy Programmer's website, so it should not be new for you. You will have 10% for social impact, 10% for creativity in design or in general. You will have 10% for complexity, and the biggest points you will get for design, optimization, and functionality. So you'll have 20, 25, and 25% for this. You should take into consideration these aspects, because we will take a look to all of them and decide together with the jury team which criteria is completed perfectly for your website. So we will look into all of them. Be sure that you take this into account. We will start today, as we already discussed. It's the launching part of the event. We will finish by Sunday midnight, to be more specific. And tomorrow you will have a Q&A session. This will be pretty much a technical Q&A session, because we will have one general today after this presentation. But tomorrow, after you already join with your team, your account, start working and everything, we are sure that you will need someone to answer your questions. This is why we have already prepared for this. You will have someone that will be available and will answer all of your questions on Discord tomorrow. Also, the evaluation will end by the end of the next week, on September 27th. You should take into account that due to the fact that there will be many people participating and many projects, we will need some time for this. And after this, we will share with you a file with all the projects, with the winners. So this will be quite a transparent process, where you will be able to look at other teams after the submission, after the evaluation, and see, of course, who won and pretty much why they won the prize. Also, I want to mention our hackathon mentors and jury. This will be the CEO, Dimi, that you already met. This will be me. I'm the marketing manager at Brizy. Rupali, who is also the co-founder of Lazy Hack. And also from the Brizy team, we will have the head of design and the COO, who will help us cover all the evaluation criteria that we have. Because, of course, we want to have as many eyes as possible, especially because, like, we have people who are more technical, people who are more into design, and this will help us deliver to you the best evaluation possible after the hackathon. So, access to Brizy Pro. In case any of you needs access and didn't got the access already from Lazy Programmers team, or I don't know, didn't see the Discord information, you can easily access it using the QR code on the screen. In case you have any problems, we will be able to answer to your questions, either on Discord or somewhere here in the chat. Also, we have lots of learning resources, and these are our social media. This is including our YouTube channel, which is currently having around 600 videos on different topics, on different Brizy directions. And this will help you to understand all of the tools that we provide, understand how you can make the best product possible. Also, we have Academy. Brizy Academy is also available to you on this QR code. What is the difference between YouTube and Academy? Academy is a from zero to hero kind of platform for you, because all of the courses there have all the information from the starting point to the realization or to the promotion of a product even. Also, we have a community. It's pretty much around 1,100 of people in this community. By joining it, you will have also access to different types of communications and interaction with people who used Brizy for a while. Also, they may answer to your questions, even though it's Sunday or you need it in the night hours, because our community is international, and sometimes when you need an answer, they can easily help you out. So this is pretty much it. I hope it was fast and informative. We have Q&A at the moment, and you can drop all of your questions in the chat, and we will discuss them in the live session that we have at the moment. Yep. So I am back. I didn't see anything while I was presenting, so now I'm back to the chat. If you have questions, please drop them in the chat. We will be here to answer to all of your questions. Yeah, you will submit your project on Lazy Programmer's website. I can show you or just send you a link at the moment. So it will be for all of you available here. So here is the link. Yeah, so you have the link in the chat. This is the website where you will submit your project. Also, the question about Brizy Pro, about using WordPress, is that okay to use? As we previously discussed, this hackathon is based on cloud mainly. We didn't consider WordPress for the hackathon. Yeah, we can just help you out to get the access to cloud. If it works for you. Any advanced feature in Brizy that participant? There are different actually features that you can use in your projects. As I said, the most of them, like the biggest amount ever of hacks or any helpful information, you will find on our YouTube channel, because we have lots of short videos, lots of long videos expressing different options, opportunities, and possibilities that you can use in Brizy. No, the submission of the project should be just one for the team or one for the individual participant. You don't need to submit like many times the same project. Link to social media. Yeah, as I said, it's optional. It's not like required to post on social media. But in case you did, you can just like add the link to the section, link to social media post, so we can see it. And yeah. Yes, it's right. It ends on Sunday at midnight. But we can also like we were discussing this matter with Dimi previously, and I wanted to ask you: is 2 days enough for you, or maybe you need like some extra hours, or we should be transparent on this, and in case like you have the need to get more time to submit your project, we should confirm it now before the hackathon starts. No, you can submit only one project for the team. So about the midnight of the same time zone that we are currently in, like GMT +3, should be like this one. This information is available for you on website, so this should not be an issue. Like you can check this anytime. Yeah. But about the time, if 2 days are not enough for you, you can write like a plus in the chat, so we can discuss this matter and maybe come with an extra day for you. No, you can submit existing website. You can only submit the one that you created for the hackathon. I think it's not necessary as long as it goes with the structure that we required. You're welcome. Okay, so we have only one plus in the comments. If you require one more day for the project, you can hit the plus button, and let's see how many of you need more time. Okay, how do you import content into Brizy pages made from outside source from Brizy? Do you mean like images or like videos or something like this, or what do you mean by content? Because if you mean images or photos, you can easily like add them to your design template that you chosen. Certificate? No. Oh, yeah. Pages. I'm not sure this is possible, but if it is, The best answer to this question will be provided tomorrow by Alex at the Q&A session on technical aspects. I'm sorry. Maybe Dimi can help on this. Do we have ability to add content generated on like Surfer or any way somewhere outside Brizy, like to add to the pages these types of content?
You can add content from outside as long as you bring it in yourself. So basically, it's not. We have all the tools in Brizy to let you publish the content that you bring in from outside. So that is not a problem as long as you bring it in. So we don't have a way to import it automatically from other systems. But if you bring it in, images, text, third-party integrations, we have everything there to help you achieve that. For example, if you want to add a chat or a third-party integration from somewhere that comes through an embed iframe, you can do that. We have all the elements there to help you bring everything in. But a way to import automatically, we don't. So I hope this answered it. Maybe if you do we have some certificates? I'm not sure
Yes,
we have
yes,
this.
already
Yes?
answered in the chat to this question. So we got back like this evaluation based on, as I showed in the presentation, and as it's already available for all of you on like registration page, this will be like 10% for social impact, 10% for creativity, 10% for complexity, 20% for design, 25% for optimization, and 25% for functionality. So pretty much all of the evaluation criteria are transparent and available to you, like either at the moment or after the hackathon launch. You can anytime access the link that I already sent here and the link you registered on, and see the criteria. So now we have one more questions about MVP, my new idea using different tools and planning. Okay. You can submit only the things that we required from you. By this, I mean, like we require a project that you create with Brizy. By this, I mean a website that solves a real world problem. The document, the survey that we require from you, and you also add the PDF of the presentation and a video. If you have something else, we will not be able to use this to evaluate you, since it will be not fair to other participants. I mean, it's not bad that you have an MVP, like for using different tools, but will not be able to add additional points to you for these kinds of projects. So I hope I answered the question. Okay. Is there any other questions that I can answer?
Arthur, maybe put Mohammed questions on because it's very it's very funny. Yeah. I like it. Can anyone get 3K? Just kidding. Look, this was actually the live stream tonight. We wanted to say that everyone that participated will get 3K. So I'm kidding as well, Mohammed. So you'll need to work a bit for it. I'm afraid. We need to see those nice Brizy projects and your presentations, and but I'm sure maybe you'll win it if everything checks out in the end.
Yeah. So we have a question about SEO. We have SEO features available The question by new, you mean what? Like new from what period of time till the...
Nicholas, I think I recognize your name. We have all the SEO web options you'll need there in Brizy Cloud. I'm not sure you know Brizy. Our website is built 100% in Brizy Cloud, and we rank first in Google for a couple of very important keywords for us. So the tools are there to empower you to rank and to be first in Google. If you have some new suggestions related to the SEO options, we have a list that we are working on to add. But please send it to us. I'm thinking that you'll be able to send that survey. You'll be able to send us some feedback, and that will be a great place to send it to us, and we'll of course we'll consider it.
Yes, about the submitting process, as I said, one project, one submission. If you work as a team, you submit it once in the name of your team. If you are individual participant and you have like one person, one project, you submit in your name the project on the link that we shared. So yeah. No, as we previously discussed, you will not be able to embed code for hackathon since it's a no-code hackathon in general, but it's an option in case like you have this question in general. Yeah, if you can use like additional tools, you can. But using Brizy for our purposes, at the moment for the hackathon, we will not use we will not write code and we will not embed code, because we discussed this previously and decided that this will be the fairest option for all of you, and especially like we have this no code hackathon from the start. We have a desire to make this for you as simple as possible, so none of you have to like embed something or create a code from scratch. You will just have to create it using the options that are available to you. We don't have a number of pages that you should or should not add to the website. This is totally up to you. As you know, it's not included in the evaluation criteria, so it's up to you totally. Okay, this one we answered. Okay, you need to deploy it, I guess, for a project or for something that you work on currently. Since it's not solving a problem, like a real world problem, it couldn't be a project that you can submit to the hackathon. But if you find a way to make this like a problem solving thing, you can, of course, submit this to the hackathon. What I mean by it's solving or not solving a problem, maybe like you have some destinations that are like super hard to travel to, and you have reasons to say that, and you have information that you based your problem on. In this case, you can like prepare the presentation based on our points that we already shared with you, like where you have an industry, you have a problem for that industry, and you have a solution. If you have that for traveling website, of course you can submit this to hackathon. In case you don't have a problem that you solve with the product, you can't use it for both hackathon and like your project. Which one is the best? They are both amazing, and it only depends on your preferences as user, because for some people it's easier to use WordPress, and for other people it's easier to use cloud. But both of them are quite approachable and easy to use because they are no code and are.
We are using Brizy Cloud for this hackathon, right? So just to make it perfectly clear.
Yeah.
It's easier in Brizy Cloud to use Brizy Cloud for this hackathon, mostly because we control the infrastructure, and you will not be required to install WordPress to have hosting somewhere or things like this, because we offer this by default in Brizy Cloud. But you can use you can choose Brizy or Brizy WordPress depending on your needs on other projects, not this hackathon.
Yes. Thank you,
Look,
Dimi.
sorry to interrupt. It's a very interesting question. This is like I feel like choosing between my two kids, right? I mean, Brizy Cloud or Brizy WordPress. It's impossible to don't ask a parent to choose one of his kids. So
In terms, I guess it just depends on the day, right?
probably, but it's a sort of already answered question in a sense, right? They both have sort of advantages and disadvantages based on where you look from.
Yes. So we have also a question if people can start now. Yes, you can start now. I guess you already have access because as a participant to the hackathon, you should already have access to a free pro version. So if you have access to the free pro version, you can start right after the presentation. So okay, so what other question do we have? We have
No, Wesley, no, you don't need a backend. No, everything you'll be able to do directly in Brizy Cloud. We have there all the tools needed for this hackathon. If you are not familiar with Brizy Cloud, it also has even if it's a static website builder, it also has a CMS built in there with dynamic data. You can build blogging, you can build custom post types. It's very, very cool. You'll be able to do and participate to the hackathon with only the tools that are included in Brizy Cloud. You don't need anything extra.
Okay, so it says the registration closed. Yes, it's closed because at the moment here should be only the people who already registered. I guess, yeah, it's a YouTube question, so it's someone that didn't get the chance to register. We shared this information about the hackathon previously on YouTube community. So unfortunately, if you didn't register already, it's already like late for this. Yeah. So we have. Is there any chance that the idea of a winner will make it happen? What do you mean by this? After the hackathon? Of course, you can use the website after the hackathon. You will have like full access to free pro version for 1 month. And after this, you can, yes, after this, you can use a paid version of Brizy or a free version of Brizy Cloud to create or to transform further your project into a source of income or anything you can possibly think of. No, it's not possible to use WordPress since, as we said previously, it's a cloud hackathon. Yes, it's one presentation for the team. It's not required to create like a presentation from each of you. You can be able to create one from all and present your project. In case it's an international team and you can't gather and work on the presentation together, there are many options. You can use like online conference video, like a meeting. You can film the video, each of you from your different like countries, and create one compilation of all the videos. So one presentation, one team, one video. I'm sorry, I just talked a lot, and it's hard for me to keep up with you. So, will the template library grow? Yes, we are currently working on it. We have new designs coming. Could you shadow?
I think we have right now 180. It's very interesting with the design. We are in this space for a couple of years already, and we have a very strong design team, and it's very interesting because it's always not enough. Right? We have 180 pre-made designs already, and we are constantly working on more newer, fresher designs. But it's never. This is a sort of a part of the product that it's never enough. You always need to work on. So we are working on more designs always.
So the next question, we have like to schedule a Discord group. Yes, Rupali here will be able to help you out with the deadline. Like she will send you on Discord several reminders if it's needed. So I think this should not be an issue. You have all the help you need on this. So, for example, PowerPoint recording you can use for presentation. Okay, this is an Artur's answer already. How to get the Pro access? The Pro access was already given to you using Discord, but also you can access it using these. Okay. Yeah, you can access it using this link as well. I just shared with you in the chat. So another question about the Pro access. Guys, you have the link in the chat. You can find it also on Discord. You can have an animated video, of course. Any idea you have, you can use it to be the best. We want you to be the best in everything that you submit. Yeah, so if there are any other questions, please feel free to send them before the ending of the session.
So maybe we need to decide on the deadline.
Yeah, as I saw, there were many pluses. Like
I saw a lot of pluses as well. I would propose us to maybe extend it with a day, probably. So not Sunday evening, but Monday. Not Sunday, but Monday for the deadline.
If you agree with the extension, please drop something in the comment section so we see your excitement on getting extra day for the project.
And by the way, guys, I think you can build. I don't think we have limitations on multiple pages. So if you want to build only a landing page or multiple pages, it depends. I mean, you are free to do and to approach this any way you want.
So we see that it comes in handy. Some extra time is always like a blessing for all of us.
Yeah, for sure. Awesome. I mean, don't burn the midnight oil to to just finish the project, which is something interesting in hackathons, right? Because this is the definition, right? Hackathons, everything is fast, everything happens in a very short period of time. You need to, but I think it's look, there are professionals that can't build a website in 3 days. I mean. Trans, I've tried so many website builders and Brizy is the best. Thank you, Trans. We feel the same way as you do. But when it comes from us, it's not. It doesn't have the same weight, right? You saying you're the best. I mean, anyone can do that. But when others say you're the best, this is when it counts. We thank you. We are humbled and very excited about this. We've poured a lot of energy and our passion and heart into this product, and we hope it shows. And thank you again.
Thank you everyone for your time and for decision to participate, to register. Thanks to our partners for helping us make it happen, because we wanted Brizy to reach as many people as possible. We wanted to give you an opportunity to try it out for free and to win a prize for it even. Because we really believe in our product and we believe in what it helps people build and what it helps people solve. So we are looking forward to hear from you, to see all of your results and all of your projects. And if we don't have any other questions here, we give you time to start creating, because this is the best part, is yet to come.
Yeah, I think this was a great segue to end our live stream with this comment on the screen. So we wish you good luck, and I personally can't wait to see your projects, because no matter how much experience you have in design, and this is proven to me time and time again. We have a team here of very experienced designers, and every time I see projects built by our clients, our partners, our users, they are always better, faster, more complex. They are using the tools in a way that we didn't think of using them, very creative. So the community, it's always smarter and better than us usually. So I can't wait to see what you come up with.
So the confirmation about creating the team, you will get this tomorrow. As far as I know, tomorrow in the first part of the day, you should get the confirmation. Rupali or Arturas can help me here, because they are the ones to help you out with this.
Yes, I can just mention that you sign the team members. You can find the link on Discord, and maybe Rupali, can you share team registration link in the chat? And we have you have to submit the team till 10 a.m. Saturday, tomorrow. Yes, the same time zone as we speak now.
Okay, we have a technical issue here. Please, Abhishek, can you please write in the comments if you got the Brizy Pro version using the link we sent previously? Did you sign up to the link with the Pro version access? So yeah, waiting for an answer here. Something funny for all of you. We are also excited for all of you to win the prize.
I'm more excited for the fourth place, because I'll probably take that meeting, that hour. So I'm more excited about that rather than the first place. But yeah.
Okay, so about the technical aspects, you can drop all the questions. Okay, you signed early, not now. So this may be the issue that you have already created an account. So right now you will have to create another one using this link. And all the issues that you can experience or today or tomorrow, you will be able to send them in Discord, and we will help you out, because we don't want to take so much time from all of you. But this link should be working. In case it's not working, you can reach out on Discord. We will be able to help you anytime. So have a great hackathon, and good luck. What can I say? May the
Good luck,
best
everyone.
experience.
Thanks again, Arturas, for this opportunity. We really appreciate it. And let's see some awesome projects, right?
Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you, Brizy. Thank you, participants. I see passion. I see love. It's a good match. So let's do. So we the deadline is Monday midnight, right? And just
Yes.
to mention about how we select winners, we select jury will select 10 finalists, top finalists who will score the highest ranking, and next Friday they will be pitching live to commission. Am I right?
Yes, the winners can participate in the pitching session, and also we will share the document with the winners as we discussed previously. So this should be it. Have a good evening, everyone. Day. Depends on the time zone.
Good luck, everyone. Take care. Have a good weekend and hackathon.
Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.
Bye bye.